Welcome to the Re4mx Diesel Dosing Guide. In this short video, you'll learn how to correctly dose Re4mx for bulk tanks and vehicle fuel tanks. For bulk tank dosing, the calculated dose must be added before refueling the bulk tank. Once dosed, allow a minimum of 12 hours of fuel contact time to maximize effectiveness. For an initial bulk tank dose, calculate Re4mx by combining the existing undosed fuel volume with the incoming delivery and dividing the total by 800. For example, if the tank contains 1,000 litres and you are adding 3,000 litres of new diesel, the total volume is 4,000 litres. Divide this by 800, you'll need 5 litres of Re4mx to be added to the tank. Your bulk tank is now dosed. Once your tank is primed with Re4mx diesel, you only dose new incoming fuel. Use the same ratio, 1 litre per 800 litres of diesel, and calculate based on the volume to be delivered. For example, if 500 litres of diesel is delivered to a primed tank, you'll need 625 millilitres of Re4mx diesel to be added to the tank before filling the 500 litres of new diesel. Allow a minimum of 12 hours contact time for maximum performance. Accurate measurement ensures continued performance and cost efficiency. The first fill of the vehicle must be manually dosed, direct to the vehicle's fuel tank. For example, if the tank volume is 750 litres, we need to add 0.94 litres of Re4mx to the vehicle's fuel tank. The initial fill should be done end of day to allow a settling time of 12 hours. When a vehicle is refueled from a bulk tank that has already been treated with Re4mx diesel, no additional manual dosing is required. The fuel has been pre-treated, ensuring it already delivers the reforming benefits directly from tank to engine. For vehicles not filled from a pre-dosed tank, apply Re4mx manually based on the tank's total capacity. Use the formula tank capacity divided by 800. For example, a 750-litre tank would require 940 millilitres of Re4mx diesel. Add Re4mx before refueling to ensure optimal mixing. The fill should be done end of day to allow a settling time of 12 hours. Refer to the dosing diagram here for guidance. For ongoing refueling, dose Re4mx based only on the volume of new fuel being added. If you're topping up with 300 litres, divide by 800. You'll need 375 millilitres of Re4mx diesel. Measure and pour the Re4mx first, then add the diesel. For maximum performance, filling should be done end of day to allow a settling time of 12 hours. This ensures accurate treatment and continued performance benefits. For more guidance, refer to the user manual or contact the Fuel Reform support team.